Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today is bank holiday and it's the morning, you know what I mean, guys. Just nice to start the morning with that nice healthy drink, you know what I mean, or a juice or a smoothie. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And this is some Chef Ricardo and the team. And listen, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back this morning with Chef Ricardo juice. This morning we're gonna make you a very easy one, very easy going day, you know what I mean. It's Monday, bank holiday juice. Very nice day to start, and it's good to start the morning with something like this one, which I'm going to do now. So basically what I want to explain to you, that's, you know what I mean, it's not too long and don't want to get it to jarred out. So first of all, we got some spinach right here, you know what I mean. This is spinach is green. We're gonna put a few of it inside of the, roughly about half handful of it, straight inside of the smoothie blender. This is some fresh mint. You can just put a little piece of fresh mint in it, giving it a lot of flavor. And also a piece of a celery. Nice one. This is one apple and this is a red apple. I just peel it and cut it up. Remove the skin from the apple. Very easy one this morning. Ginger is a must. You know what I mean? Chef Ricardo love ginger, so we're gonna put a few pieces of ginger in it. Cut it up very small. Then everyone's favorite, lemon. Can't go wrong with lemon. Lemon is very good for you. Half a lemon juice in it, get squeezing it, get all of the flavor in it. Lovely. The next, few pieces of ice. After you put the ice, I got some apple juice which I'm gonna use for it. Roughly about half glass of apple juice. Then cover and blend this for roughly about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice one. Alright? And that's it. Healthy one. I'm good to start the morning like this. Very easy. Nice and lovely. Just finish. Blend it. Give it a shake. And then look at this now, guys. Really nice. This is how you want to start the morning. You know what I mean? Let's give it a taste. Cheers, guys. Really nice. And you don't know what happened now. You've been tasting a lot of ginger in it. Beautiful. So this is exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about right here. Have a nice lovely smoothie like this in the morning. You can't go wrong, guys. Beautiful, you know what I mean, with apple and celery and ginger, lemon, with some apple juice. So it's just really nice and good. Just start the bank holiday morning like this. So it's bank holiday morning drink. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And this is some Chef Ricardo on the team. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye.